5%. You gotta be 5% smarter than what you're working with.
I'm sorry for wasting everybody's time.
Other way. Other way.
I feel bad now for wasting everyone's time.
There is a lunch food truck up there.
All right, we already got food.
Oh, this will take us so long to get back.
Yeah.
But you're saying you felt bad about the wasting the time, you know?
Before we first went out, we got food. The whole park was pretty decent.